you're doing SEO, you're already doing a bit of UX. And if you're doing UX, you're already doing a bit of SEO.
I think that's when I realized the potential behind it, to be fair with you, especially when I started measuring and I was like, wow. The minute I've implemented heat maps and realized the differences between before and afters and did the A/B tests, I was like, yeah, it's time for us to see each other every other week. I tend to reframe it as, let's do it for the user, let's do it for a better experience. I rarely talk about conversions, right? Because for me, that's an afterthought. For me, it's, did the user come and perform what they wanted to on page? Yes, cool, my job is done. I like to advise people to employ more common sense rather than, if you follow strictly best practices from an SEO perspective, you can very much I generally don't really believe in the whole best practice scenario anymore.
Talk to your users, talk to your customers. Crazy, right? Who would have guessed?
If you've got the chance to get first-hand data, do so before you start assuming things about a culture. Because I say this quite often, that the internet is a cultural infrastructure. Treat it as such. I found a lot of websites that made me feel, satisfaction level over 9,000. But they were not very discoverable. What's the point in building an amazing product page if it's not discoverable? Who's going to look at it? I'd like it to be like deep into my mind and serve exactly what I want at the right point in time in whatever stage of my journey I am, regardless if I'm just starting researching for a product or I'm ready to buy.